everyone, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Kate. If you're not new, welcome back. It's currently Monday morning, it's 10 o'clock. I just went for my walk. I've been doing 10,000 steps a day. I feel so good after I do it, and especially in the morning when it's sunny outside. I don't even bring my headphones or anything. I just love listening to the sounds of nature. That sounds so cringy, but like the birds chirping. I love saying good morning to everybody. It just puts me in such a good mood. So we're having a productive Monday today. I really want to get a lot of shit done. I'm about to head to the grocery store and I just feel really good. It's beautiful outside. It's like almost 70 degrees and I'm sweating. I don't know why I wore a sweatshirt, but just wanted to start off a new vlog, say hello, welcome you back, make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. And we're gonna head to the grocery store. I've been going to Market Basket instead of Trader Joe's. I don't know what it is about Trader Joe's, but I feel like their produce, they're just like not hitting and they're just like not good and they don't last long, like especially the berries. Every single time I get berries from Trader Joe's, I feel like they just go bad in a few days. So I haven't been going to Trader Joe's like at all, which is so weird for me because you guys know I'm always in that store and I go all the time. It's also just easier going to Market Basket because I can get everything in like one shop and I don't have to go to Trader Joe's and then go to Target because that's usually what I would do. So we're gonna head to the grocery store and have a productive little Monday. Hopefully this vlog inspires you to get motivated and have a productive day for yourself. And I feel so awkward right now because there's so many people walking by and they're all looking at me probably like, what is this girl doing? Why does she have a camera on her dashboard? But I'm trying to be better about that because like literally who cares? I'll never probably see these people again, or maybe I will because I come here like every single day, but it's fine. Just got back. We have 5 bags of groceries to go through. I don't know why I have so many bags. I think the lady just gave me more bags because I feel like I got the same as I normally do, but got some protein waffles. I don't know why, but I've been really in the mood for frozen waffles in the morning, so I got the Vans Power Grain Protein. They were on sale. And then I got almond flour brownie baking mix from Simple Mills. Got some honey, 100% pure and raw, unfiltered. This stuff was like $10. It's crazy. Got some celery for snacking. I love to have this with peanut butter. 3 mangoes because I'm obsessed with mangoes at the moment. We have some bananas, blueberries, bag of lemons, a little bag of avocados, and a big old container of cotton candy grapes. Usually I get 2 containers of these, but they had the really big one, so I just got 1 container. I'm probably gonna go through this like there's no tomorrow. Got some milk, more creamer. I got vanilla as well as the sweet cream from Giovanni. These ones are my favorite. Some chicken. I got 2 things of sliced watermelon because it looks so good. And also I'm just afraid to get a whole watermelon because sometimes they're not good. So when it's in this package and I can physically see that it's gonna be good, then I'll just grab it. Some strawberries. Last bag we have Dave's Killer Bread. This one is my favorite, the thin sliced 21 whole grains and seeds. I got a new box of these thin stackers. They didn't have the one in the blue box. I think that's just the regular one, but this one is brown rice. I'm sure it'll taste the same, but I love having these with peanut butter or Nutella if I want something sweet. These are really good. Chocolate covered almonds. These yogurt pretzels. These looked really good to me. A new bag of chocolate chips. Lastly, some Siggy's vanilla yogurt. So that's my grocery haul. Now time for the favorite part, which is putting it all away. I'm gonna strip the bed and throw the sheets in the wash, but look at my cute outfit. I got these rompers. I think I showed them in a vlog. I got them at Free People. I got this color and then a blue color, and it's really warm out today, 72. So I figured I would break it out and wear it today since I just want to be comfy, but cool because I'm like sweating. It got so hot in here this morning. I had to put the AC on because it was 76 degrees in here. Sun comes right in the morning. which is nice, but it gets really hot, but so cute. If you are pregnant, I feel like you need this in your life. It's just the perfect thing to throw on and be comfy. I got this in a size small. I still have a ton of room, so even if my belly gets, well, it will get bigger, but when it does, it'll still fit me. But I just threw on a little white tee that's from Amazon underneath. I feel like from the back it looks a little bit weird because the crotch is so low, but honestly it's whatever. It's comfy and I feel like it's cute for spring and summer, and if you need a nice little pregnancy outfit or postpartum even, because I know I'm not going to be wanting to wear anything tight. So yeah, that's my little outfit for the day. I'm also going to wash my pregnancy pillowcase. I got this off Amazon. Honestly, this was one of the best purchases I made because I cannot sleep without this thing. Like, I'm so uncomfortable and I sleep with it between my legs. And it's just so comfortable and it supports my back so I don't lay on my back, and it's just the most comfy thing in the world. And I love how this comes off, obviously, so you can wash it. So we're going to throw this in the wash as well. I also put in some of this Branch Basics, which I've showed before, and I talk about it a lot, but it's like an oxygen boost and just kind of brightens and refreshes your laundry. So I just did 1 scoop of that, and it has no bleach, no ammonia, no dyes or anything, so I love, love, love this stuff. Just made myself a little piece of avocado toast because I have to run out and do a few errands. I just did balsamic glaze and then some sea salt. Also, who else eats off of paper towels? Because I just don't feel like using a dish whenever I have something so small. I feel like that's so random, but I'm always eating off of paper towels. I just ran into the mall. I actually returned one of the dresses that I was showing for my baby shower in my last vlog. I ended up returning the lighter blue one, and a lot of you guys said that I should keep the darker blue one, which I was kind of agreeing on just because the color fits the baby shower a whole lot more, and I don't know, it just feels more baby shower-esque than the other one. So I returned the other one at Nordstrom. And then I also got Zach's bracelet fixed. He wanted me to get a clasp for his bracelet. I think this was his grandmother's, and the clasp fell off, so I just got that fixed for him in the mall. Luckily they just had a little kiosk, which I probably should have just went to a jeweler because the clasp was literally $50, and I don't know if they're just upcharging because they're in the mall, but I don't know, maybe it probably would have been like that anywhere. But I got that fixed, and I think I'm gonna order myself an iced chai. I haven't had an iced chai from Prest in so long, and it's right across the street, so I'm just gonna order one on my phone and then go and grab that because I'm craving one. I haven't had a chai in a little bit, so we're gonna get ourselves a little iced chai. They seriously have the best iced chai that I've ever had in my life. It's so good, and I get a shot of caramel, and it's so yummy, and it's literally $5, and then you go to Starbucks and it's $7 for like a tall. It's absolutely insane. It's almost 6 o'clock. This day is going by so fast. But something I wanted to get done today was organizing the bathroom. I feel like I'm always organizing the bathroom, and it somehow just gets so messy so fast. So we're gonna do that. I have a bunch of stuff everywhere. I need to clean my makeup brushes, and the shelves that I currently have you guys sitting on, I need to organize and fix because it just looks like a disaster in here. It's not that bad, but to me, I'm like a neat freak and I hate when things look all cluttered. Also, my drawers and like my makeup bag need to be cleaned out and organized because it's just too much. It's too much. But I stopped at my mom's on the way home because she got me some clothes, which I thought was so cute of her. She's been kind of getting clothes here and there. She got them at Target, and they're all by Carter's, or no, this one's Cat and Jack. Like, look at how cute that is. I think it's 12 months. Yeah, 12 months, and then this one is Carter's. It's like a little set you can wear, mix and match. with some lines on them. So cute. And then this t-shirt she got, which is also Cat and Jack. It says go outside and bugs and like nature stuff. So I thought that was so sweet of her. It's so weird to think that the baby will literally be wearing these clothes one day. I mean, I know he won't be wearing these for a while because they're 12 months, but still, so crazy. Took a nice relaxing bath that was much needed. I didn't even finish organizing the bathroom really. I did all the shelves, but I didn't do the drawers like I wanted to, and organizing my makeup and everything. I've just been so inside my own head lately, and I've been comparing myself so much to people on social media. It's actually insane, which was never like me, but for some reason TikTok has been taking such a toll on my mental health, and I just feel like I'm putting in so much work and effort into it, and it just feels like it's not growing. And I feel that way with like my YouTube channel as well too, as well as Instagram. And I just get in these moods and I'm like, why do I even try anymore? And then I compare myself to other people in my specific niche, and I see them growing and doing really well, and I'm like, okay, well, I'm doing everything that I can. I'm doing, you know, similar stuff to them, not in the sense of like copying other people, but like just more so the niche. And I'm like, well, why aren't people who like that niche gravitating towards my type of content? And I just spiral and get out of control, and I just had a little bit of a mental breakdown, and I was crying because I just feel like I've been putting so much work and effort into videos, TikTok, Instagram, and just trying to figure out what's working and what's not working, and it just feels like it's not paying off. And when you put so much work into something and it doesn't pay off, it feels really shitty. I know that might not make a lot of sense to some people, but for me, especially because I do this for my job, it just feels like I'm failing and I'm not in a state of growth. And I know that not everything is always up. There's going to be times where you just feel like shit and you feel exactly like this, and you're not going to see growth, you're not going to see progress. But I just think the important thing is to just keep going, not give up, and, you know, just stay consistent with it, because this is what I love to do. I love sharing my life, and I love inspiring other people through my content as well as my podcast and everything. So we're okay. You know, I'm not going to get too down on myself about it. It was getting to me, and I honestly completely broke down, so I didn't even finish doing the bathroom. But anyways, I feel really good now that I took a nice bath. I put in some Epsom salt, started reading one of the new books I got in my last vlog, and it felt really nice. And now we're gonna do a face mask. Zach got me this. I think he got it at Whole Foods, and it's a detox pore refining mask. So we're gonna put this on. Actually, oh yeah, it is a sheet mask. I thought it was a clay mask at first, but I did the rest of my skincare. So we're gonna finish off the night with a nice sheet mask. It's literally black. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna look so scary. Oh my god. This is so scary. This just looks so wrong. This doesn't look right, but it feels really nice. So I'm gonna leave this on for like 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll take it off, get into bed. I'm exhausted. Can't even explain how bad my feet hurt right now. I need to get like a foot massager on Amazon. I feel like I've seen those before, and they just, like, you stick your feet in it and it massages your feet, because this is like not working. My feet are on fire and they're still hurting even though I'm sitting down now. But it's 10 o'clock. I'm gonna go to bed. Zach's on his way home from work, but honestly I might fall asleep before he gets here because I'm just exhausted. Oh yeah, don't mind my bruise. This was from my glucose test the other day, and both of my arms are so bruised. It looks so strange. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I haven't done a day in my life in forever, I feel like, so hopefully you liked the little switch up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All of my socials are always linked down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next vlog.